Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sunday, 4/18/2021. I'm going to show you my earnings of what I've earned so far this week with Copy Pro Traders. I'm making another video just to show you proof of what's happening behind the scenes. If you're not a member of Copy Pro Traders, the link in the description will take you to this website I created. And click on the Sign Up Now button right here. You'll be transferred or forwarded to the Copy Pro Traders sign up page. If you want to learn a little bit more about Copy Pro Traders are cryptocurrency professional traders that trade on your behalf, but the money never leaves your exchange. They use an API system to digitally exchange and trade for you on your behalf. Again, no money's ever sent to anyone by you. Everything stays in your account, and they just trade it. That's exactly what it is. So lie back off its earnings video below. You can watch the videos I have here. This is a brief description of the program. This is Antoine McBay. He's the founder of Copy Pro Traders. Then you have Copy Pro Traders, how it works. There's a small short video there. This is pretty much with development of social trading. It pretty much explains the program as well. This shows you how much I deposited into this account. Sometimes I mean, when I say I'm earning thousands weekly, so when the week is done, I've gained like 200, 300, 400. So you total it all up, and it becomes thousands weekly earnings. This is one of my earlier videos, and then this is like my first video I've created. And this is actual direct referral commissions if you share this program with somebody. So let's say you sign up and you're earning on Copy Pro Traders. Let's say you're making, I don't know, more than what you're paying. So it's $99 a month, but let's say you pay that $99 a month. There is a referral affiliate program with this program. Every $99 subscription that you receive, like you pay or whether you refer someone, you're going to get $21 commission every month from that. That is paid in Bitcoin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so keep that in mind. If you want to watch that video, if you are a go-getter, you can take a look here. It pretty much shows you how much they pay out of that $99. They pay out 74% of that $99 to affiliates, okay? And then you can see that here. It shows the Bitcoin of 21 going there. What I want you to show you also, they have tiers, as you can see here. And why do they have tiers? Well, the reason why they have tiers is, let's say your referrer, the person you refers somebody, you can get monthly income on that. So let's say that's $7, ladies and gentlemen, and they can get even higher depending on how many you actually refer. And it shows that all here, ladies and gentlemen, so you can see that. So this can accumulate. Why would you think they wouldn't refer someone? They would refer someone if they're seeing gains, if they're getting profits. Let's say they pay $99, and for that month they made $500 that month in earnings from trading. You don't think they're going to continue with this program? Of course they will, because they know that next month that 500 could be 1,000, and the month after that, and the month after that. So you're talking about long-term residual income just from referring individuals. So I definitely look at the compensation plan. I advise you to do so. If you're already a member, you pretty much know how this works. So again, any level, 21 direct commissions. You can see that here. Indirect commissions, generations 2 through 7. Okay, you can see that there. And then they have top affiliate. Let's say you're a top affiliate bonus. Let me go. Goes to the first person at the rank regardless of the generation. So if you make that top affiliate, you get an additional $10 a month. So instead of 21, it's 31. Instead of 7, it's 17. Okay, keep that in mind. This is very, very powerful. So if you really stop building this long, look at this ton of income. I mean, like I said, that's what I tell everybody. Shoot for 100 people. Shoot for 100 people. Shoot for 100 people for the year. Maybe more. Maybe you should have a bigger target. So say 100 times. We'll say you meet that bonus, because if you got 100, you already know you have 10 personal referrals, then you're going to get that extra $10. So 100 times 31 a month, okay? That's $3,100 if you get 100 people. That's 3,100 additional income every single month sent to you. Okay? As long as they keep paying their $99, that is what you're going to receive. And let's say that 100 becomes 1,000. You see how powerful this can become? Look at that. Oh, I did it wrong. 1,000 is 3 zeros. Hello? Imagine that every single month, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine that every single month. Anyways, that's what I want to share with you. I don't talk about the affiliate part of it anymore, or I haven't really talked about it, but there is one. And I want you guys to watch this video and see it for yourself. I mean, because if you're already in the program and you refer individuals, you can make some serious monthly income. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and bring back up here again. Click on here. It'll take you to the link to the description. It'll take you to the actual page so you can register. But that being said, let's show you what I have made so far. Okay, as you can see, there's 2 red right here. Now there were, where is it here? There's some that are closed, as you can see here. There's some that are closed, but there's no profit percentage as of yet. So we have to wait for the system to update. There's also these ones here. So as you can see, this was closed. It was closed, but there's no percentage. And the reason why that is because I sold it. I went in there myself and sold it. The reason why I did that, the price hit $43 or $44. It hit $43 to $44. So I closed that one, and I also closed this one by myself. So that's 200 and something shares that I closed. Okay, the reason why I did that is because this one was a small profit gain. This one was a big profit gain. I gained about $500 and something on this one alone because 100 shares. Listen, I'm gonna do the math. I'm gonna show you how I did that. Okay, I'm gonna do the math here. I'm gonna bring this calculator up right here in the right hand corner, so that way I can see the page. So let's say you have 103 shares. So 103 shares. We know that, so I'm not gonna put that there. But it was $38.51. All right, and the price I sold it was, we'll say, $44. So $38.51 minus $44. That's $5.49. So $5.49 per share is what I've gained. Now you take 103 of them, times that point by 5.49. I'm kind of struggling to talk here. That's $565.47. Let me bring this microphone down a little bit. That's the reason why I actually sold it. And I'm glad I did. Because if you know what just happened last night, I know many of you do, look at this huge drop. I sold it right when it was about right here. Right here is what I sold it. Yeah, I didn't sell it at the top. I didn't expect this huge climb up, actually. Actually, I sold it earlier. I sold it right around this range here before this huge climb. And then it made a huge drop, as you can see there. And I keep an eye on this because this was the bottom. This was a great buy opportunity to buy right here and watch it climb. So same thing with the BCH. Great buy opportunity was here. Did I buy outside of the trading, comic book traders? Yes, I did. I bought here. I bought DOT here. XRP, I bought a little bit higher. I thought it was going to bounce off this actual line here. Right here, I thought it was going to make a bounce like it did before. 1, 2, 3. So I was like, oh my God. If it bounces off here, this will be number 4. This is a downward channel. Usually a downward channel, once it bounces off the bottom, it comes up here, it breaks through and shoots up like a mother sucker. That's why I did it. But no, it didn't happen. Now it's becoming resistant. So it's bouncing off the bottom of this downward channel. And we need it to break through to continue to make some profits on XRP. If you're holding long term, or whether you're trading or not, it's entirely up to you. Doji is held strong. Doji did take a dive here on the 18th of April. As you can see here, the little dive, but man, it bounced right back up. As you can see, 32. Now it's hovering right around here. This greens means it's a buy signal. So if you could have got in here, it'd be great. Because, well, we still got a little bit downward momentum coming. So next couple candle, but it looks like it's starting to curve. See, once these big red blocks here start to get smaller and smaller, that means the momentum is changing. See that? It's going green and it's changing. and then the same here. So it's gonna be. I think this is the bottom. It may bounce off right here. This is the 20 EMA. This is the 20 EMA. This is the 50 EMA. And actually, when the 20 crosses over the 50, it's great buy opportunity. When the 20 goes below the 50, it's a selling opportunity. That's why the red is there and the green is here. So you get the idea. Great. This is a great indicator. I like to use that indicator. I like the MAMTF indicator, and I love this new one I just got. A 9-point system. This is like a 9-point system. As you can see, the 9-point system. If you would have sold here a 9-point system, you see the little drop. It's not a huge drop, but it's a drop. Okay, so that's this drop right here. Now you would have said, okay, well, this usually goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's another 9. When it's a 9 purple pointing up, that means that's a huge momentum that it's about to change, and it's about to change big. And that's what happened here. See, it bounced up and went up. And that's this huge climb right here. And then same here. But anyways, that's just a little trading on my side. I like to trade. I like to read the charts. I like to also trade, not just the traders. So I'm making money myself, as well as the Copy Pro traders are making money for me as well. But I love to share, and this is why I'm doing this. Great buy opportunity was here. I mean, look at this huge red cap. I've never seen something so long in my life. Holy macaroni and cheese. That is huge. But the great thing about that is, as you can see here, let me get my trending line. So that was the top. This is also in a downward channel. What does that mean? Eventually, once it finishes this and bounces back up, if it breaks through here, it's going high, and it's going fast. That's what you gotta watch out for. Once this breaks through here, it's going up. It's going right back to the thousands, maybe. This is by BNB. This is gonna hit. It's gonna hit really high gains. So keep that in mind. Great opportunity. Litecoin as well. Big dip. Says sell here, but I bought right around here. I'm watching this thing climb. As you can see, the shade is starting to turn lighter. And the lighter it changes, see this? It's starting to come up. Eventually, it's gonna come up here. There's a 9. A 9 purple going up means it's gonna be a huge upswing. So it's gonna be a huge upswing. That's what indicator's telling me, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, let me show you the actual earnings. Bring this over here to the right. All right, so we already talked about those. We were talking about, let's see, so many trades that he's done so far. Since the second, as you can see here, 4-2, 4-2. I think we can go back another page. Yeah, look at this, all the way from, so this is the month of April. The month of April, 4.8, 3.38, 4.11, 6.56, 4.51. And if you do the math on these, 840 shares times 1.19. That was $1,000 trade right there. Okay, so these are $1,000 trade. I started doing the $4,000 trades later on. Some great gains in EOS. He did a huge EO gain not too long ago. He lost this one right here. That was a little loss. Nothing major. Wins and losses comes and goes. This is the big gain right here. This was on 4-3. As you can see that's 23.75%. I did a video on that already. But I didn't do a video on these ones here. I don't think I made a video on these ones here. On 413. I think my last video was on... I don't remember. I think it was well, it might have been a week ago. Maybe 2 weeks ago, possibly. I don't even remember the last video I made. But anyways, we'll do the math anyway. I mean, that's what we're here for. Numbers don't lie. You got to see the numbers. Now, the reason why I'm showing you these numbers is because I want you to see the gains that I've been making from these numbers. So let's say, and the reason why I got to show you this is so to tell you how much money. So 2,816 ADA. Okay, we'll start with that one. So obviously that's a $4,000 trade. Because you multiply that by 2, $1.42, 200,000, that's going to be about $4,000. So we'll say 2,816 times 1.42. Yeah, $4,000 trade. So we'll say 4,000. I keep closing out the calculator. I don't know why I keep doing that. I do apologize. So it's a $4,000 trade, and then we're going to do the 6.05%. So we'll say 4,000. I think I made a video on this, but times 6.05. That's 200. It was $242. I remember that. So that's 242. I don't think I showed you this one here. I don't think I showed you that one. This wasn't a huge gain, but it's still a gain, and it's still profitable. So that's you got to understand that having profits, even small ones like this, even 1%, 2% gains is still great, and you got to keep that in mind. So we'll take 4,000. That's a $4,000 trade, and we're gonna multiply that by 3.51%. $140. That one trade alone pays for my monthly membership, and I still have more. That's just on one trade. A $4,000 trade. Like I said, if you have $1,000 in there, use the whole $1,000 for one trade. Because that one trade will hopefully get you the profit you need to pay for your monthly on that one trade. If he gets, let's say you had $1,000, he did that one trade. We'll say $1,000. He did that one trade of 6.05%. $60.50 on that one trade alone won $1,000. That means you're almost in profit already for your monthly. Your monthly subscription is almost paid for. 60.5%. Now keep that in mind. Now let's go. Let's move forward. All right, let's go here. Another BCH, another win, 2.21%. Obviously, if that one was 3.51%, this is 2.21%. My nose is stuffed. Do apologize. I sound like I got allergies today. But if that was 140 something, this was 141, this is probably going to be, I say, close to 99, 98 to $100. All right, so let's do the math anyway. 4,000, 2.21%. $88. That's what I said, $90. So same difference. Now, this was a nice EOS. This EOS game was really, really good. He bought at 790, sold at 866. And that was 9.63% gains on that one. So let's go to $4,000 times 9.63%. That was a $400 day right there. That one right there. That was 2 days ago. Okay. And I still got pending. Obviously, you know what happened with the market. So these are losses. Well, they're not losses until you sell it. So he's waiting for the bounce back. So we got to wait for the bounce back. And then we got to sell these right here. Okay. That's what we're waiting for. To sell these on the bounce back. These are all $4,000 trades. That's 444. Because 331.20. That's Litecoin. Times 12. $4,000. See that? What you're probably asking me, why is there... How come it doesn't say 4,000? Why does it say 3,974? Because the exchange takes their percentage. So when you make a trade, the exchange that you're using has to be paid. That's how they make their money. You know, Copy Pool Traders doesn't take any money from your profits. The exchange will take a few dollars for every trade, as you can see there. That's how it works. But you're still gaining so much that you don't worry about those little small minimal fees that the exchange charges, okay? That being said, that's all I wanted to show you. We still got some open trades. We'll still continue to move. I mean, if I add all this up, how much? I'm over $5,000 profit already in 1 month in April. Over $5,000 at least minimum. 5, maybe $6,000, maybe $7,000. Now I haven't looked at it. I don't want to look at it. I want to let the month go. So at the end of April, I will show you guys what I made. You know what I mean? I want to start the $4,000 trades. When I start to do the $4,000 trades, I'll show you all the profits for the $4,000 trades and up. So I'll do all the math on that before I start recording the video, so you can see. And I'll stop there, and I'll leave the other ones as is. So if the 3,000, well, I think I started with 3. So I'll do the 3,000s and the 4,000s and show you the profit I made so far for the entire month once April is done. Unless something crazy happens where the profit is like 30, 40%, then I'll show you that immediately. Because if you're not in it already and I don't know what you're waiting for, I wish I knew. You know what I mean? So if you're having an issue or you're having doubts or if there's something, let me know. Let me know what it is. I mean, maybe I can help you somehow. Maybe you should join the webinars. We have Copy Traders has webinars pretty much almost every day, every other day. They have a Telegram group where they promote the webinars. Get on these webinars, ladies and gentlemen. Get on these calls. Watch what they have to offer. Listen to what they're saying. Okay, if you look at the traders, just so you guys don't know, these are the traders: Doe Theon, Carlos Cruz, Ramon Wilson, Clarence Phelps, and Marcus Ruffin. As you can see, they removed somebody, but there's more to come. There's more to come. This is the guy I'm using right here, Marcus Ruffin. He's new. Clarence Phelps is new. Some people are using Carlos Cruz, Doe Theon. She was really great. January, February, she was the #1 trader. March, April, he became the #1 trader. And we'll see what happens March and May. I mean, March and May. May and June. We'll see what happens May and June. Who's going to be the #1 trader? I don't know. It could be any one of these guys. You know what I mean? But from what I hear, they're all doing pretty well. I mean, he's fairly new, so I don't even think he has 30 days in yet. So I used him originally. I switched over to Marcus Ruffin because my sponsor said he's having really good success with this guy. So I changed, and now I'm having success with this guy too. So it is what it is. That's all I have to share. The link will be in the description. It'll take you to this page. You click on the sign up now button. It will take you to Copy Traders. You go ahead and register. Make sure you have money on your exchange. The exchanges are Kraken, HitBTC, and Binance. As of right now, those are the 3 exchanges. They're going to add Coinbase Pro in the future. They're going to be adding other exchanges in the future. But as of right now, those are the 3 exchanges that you can use right now. And they're very easy to do. Once you do that, you deposit your crypto or US dollars into that exchange that you're using. Binance, HitBTC, or Kraken. Once you do so, you're going to buy USDT. USDT, that's a digital dollar coin. It's called USDT, aka Tether. Your money has to be in Tether before they can trade it. Okay, it has to be in Tether. If you send Bitcoin and it stays Bitcoin, they're not going to trade it. It has to be Tether. They want to make sure that the price is not moving aggressively. So when you go and say you have 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 and you deposit it, buy Tether USDT with that. And once you buy Tether, it's in your account. You set up the API on your Copy Traders back office. And you go to the exchange and you create an API specifically for Copy Traders. You do not put the withdrawal option. You leave that unchecked. Do not check that one. Because if you check that, they can withdraw your crypto. You don't want to do that. And it shows you step by step exactly what you need to do, step by step exactly what you need to do to go ahead and connect the exchange. Okay, so keep that in mind. And if you need help, hold on 1 second. Let me see if I have it in my back office. I had to blow my nose. Jesus Christ. These allergies are killing me. Anyways, as you can see, all right, they show you step by step exactly how to do this. So when you go to click on your exchange, below that, it says the instructions. And it shows you step by step of how to set up the API. Okay, where to go and where to set up your API management. And it shows you step by step in words. Shows you code, verification, all the stuff that you have to do. And then it shows you step by step. All you got to do is read it and follow the exact instructions, okay? And then all you got to do is select the Binance. Blah, blah, blah. It shows you step by step here. Click on save. And that's it. Once you follow the steps of setting up your account, that's it. Then you just have to wait for the traders to stop making trades. And when they stop making trades, you'll start earning. That's it. Or losing a small percentage. They don't margin trade. They just trade. When they see a good buy opportunity, they will buy. There's going to be some days that you don't see a trade in 3 days. There's going to be a day you don't see a trade in 6 days. But when they do trade, they trade in abundance. So when they see an opportunity, they say, okay, I see 3 different coins. Looks like they're about to go up. What they'll do is they'll buy all 3 at one time. Bang, bang, bang. And now you got that many trades going. Let me show you another example. Just want to show you, look, from April 9th to April till this morning, Another trade has begun. See, a new trader buy. Another customer has paid for the subscription. A new trader buy. A new trader sell order. A comment on my YouTube channel, which is great. New trader buying. New trader sell order. Copy Pro Trader in Zoom notice. So see, they haven't. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, they have webinars. I got a new personally enrolled affiliate. New trader buy. New sell order. Comment on me, a new personally enrolled trader or affiliate. So people are signing up, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I don't know what you're waiting for. But listen, these are trades. A new sell order, Another customer has paid for the subscription. And I'm making commissions from that. And you should be too. Join, refer, make money, and help others make money, and you will be rewarded handsomely. That's pretty much it. That's the program. And this is just from April 9th to this morning. I just want to show you that it's happening for me, and it can happen for you. Okay, there's more than this. I just want to show you some of it. I got a lot more down here, but I don't want to show you all of that. But you get the idea. The point is, get in, get started, pay that $99, put some money in your exchange, and let these guys trade it for you. Let your money start duplicating. You know, it's like a passive income in a sense. That's what it is. You're passively earning from these trades. Is every trade going to win? No. But a majority of the trades going to win? Yes. You saw it on mine, ladies and gentlemen. You saw it on mine, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. I mean, how many more? Do you want me to show you some more earnings? I mean, I can keep going page after page. There's a lot of green here. A lot of green. Okay? A little bit of red. Just jump on in. The water's warm. All right, ladies. Have yourself a wonderful Sunday. Talk to you guys later. Peace.